Hello, this is episode 22 of the Monetization Quest. I can't believe another month has already flown by, but here we are reviewing the analytics for January 2025 today and touching base about where we're at on the quest for monetization. So let's jump right in with the analytics, and then I'll pull back and share some more about what's been happening in the background. Here we have the analytics for January 2025. We had 7.5 thousand views on the channel, which was almost 100% increase from basically the month of December. So that's pretty cool. We had 55.8 watch time hours, which is bringing us up, I think, to like almost 300 for the year. So we're working our way towards that 4,000 hour goal day by day. We got 37 new subscribers in January, which is awesome. I think we've been pretty steadily getting almost like one a day now, which is great. Very, very cool. Excited to see more of that. So shorts views also up as well. And we are, heading in towards a goal of 10 million shorts views, but pretty sure we're at like 13,000 right now. Getting there, making our way. So, okay, let me pull from here and talk a little bit more about what's been going on. So, okay, we've been doing short strategy. As I've mentioned previously, we're sticking with one short per day, every day. And we will be hitting our 90-day mark on that little plan in just a few days here, just like around February 8th, I think. It will be 90 days. So we're just going to keep going. We have not exactly hit, I think initially the idea was because you want to get 10 million views within a 90-day window in order to get monetized via the short strategy. My, first idea was to just post a short every day for 90 days and see if we might hit that target. We obviously are not anywhere near having hit that target, but I know that it could happen any day. So we're just going to keep going. We're going to keep posting a short a day as long as we can. And I'm going to keep sprinkling these long form videos throughout. I have some more long form content that I'm working on as I'm kind of simultaneously producing a new podcast. I'm going to be publishing some videos from that material onto the page as well. And then the other exciting new thing that we've got going on is we're posting every day on TikTok now. Basically all the shorts that we've been putting out onto YouTube, we're just kind of starting to recycle those onto TikTok and starting to post simultaneously over there. So I am definitely open to getting monetized on TikTok, but obviously things over there are still a little bit in question. I'm not sure what's happening with TikTok in the grand scheme of things, although it doesn't really look like it's going anywhere at this stage. I'm just not wanting to rely on that or really striving for monetization over there, though of course if I start getting close, I certainly will, do something with that. I'll keep you posted on that as well. Still running the Substack, but I have not posted on there in a few weeks. So I need to get back on that. That's a goal for the future. And I've been playing a lot on Notion, thinking about creating some templates on Notion because I just love using it for myself. And I have so many things on there that I think other people might enjoy using too. So I'm looking forward to doing maybe some Notion tutorials or something. Also really wanting to publish some books and workbooks and things. But I guess I'm getting into Notion and thinking about getting clear on which products will be better presented through Notion templates, like certain workbooks or database type things, or like dashboard type things versus publishing or things like that. So I'm excited to explore some more of those product ideas and share more as I go along as well. And that's pretty much it for now. So we are well on our way, continuing along in the process. I really appreciate you being here watching. Thank you for liking and sharing and commenting all the things. As always, if you have any questions, please let me know. And if you know anybody else who would like to see a spiritual or conscious entrepreneur get monetized, please feel free to share this series with them. See you in a month, if not sooner.